Hi everybody, this is Lance, the option teacher. This video I'm going to go over a strategy that all members will get, lifetime, quarterly. If you check in the description down below, you can see how you get access to this. But we're going to be doing covered strangles on stocks. This was normally meant for lifetime inner circle members, but now you can even join these on the quarterlies, as well as getting other credit spreads. So in the covered strangles, I'll be typically buying 100 shares of stock, then you sell a covered call, and then you sell a cash secured or even a naked put with it. And then you could manage it by either getting assigned another 100 shares on the put, or if it goes up past the covered call strike, you would get out of the trade, your put would expire worthless, and that'd be the max profit. And then we just continue selling puts and covered calls with it. So just a little bit on the channel here, you'll see a bunch of videos how covered strangles is a lot like owning a house. List of covered strangles, have different covered strangle videos. There's about 15 of them. You'll get access to the strategy guide. You see right here is a covered strangle strategy on stocks, exactly how I follow them, where to place your strikes, what do you do to manage it. Even an interview I did on covered strangles. And then you'll see on the threads we'll have a few different covered strangles here. Currently have them on Mara, CLSK, and ASST. Going to be looking into adding a few more shortly. And these have been very profitable trades. They're very hands-off. Typically sell them into the third Friday of every month. And then you just wait to see what happens at that point. And then you will manage them pretty much once a month. So they're very passive if you are busy in your jobs and doing other things. So let's be a good way to join us into the group. And if you have any questions, let me know. Click the link in the description down below, and I'll see you guys soon.